Hello, everyone! We're here for the daily safety check.
Safety check just means more waiting. I want to work.
Okay, team. Today's lesson is about safety cones. Cones are like a warning. Be careful. Don't come here. Cones are just in the way. They slow us down. Oh, slow us down. Right. Cones are very important for traffic safety. They protect everyone, Bruner.
Exactly. Okay, rescue team, let's go on patrol. You two, be safe.
Stay safe, Bruner. Don't lift anything too heavy. And watch out for wet cement.
Patrol! Safety! Now we can finally get some real work done. And fast!
Oh, come on. The path I need is right on the other side. Going all the way around will take forever.
See? It looks fine to me. Just a little sticky. It's not that wet. There! Path is clear!
Come on, Micky. I found a super fast shortcut. Follow me.
Ooh, a shortcut! Micky loves shortcuts! Right behind you, Bruner!
Whoa! I'm stuck. Oh no, Micky, stop spinning your wheels. You're sinking. I can't stop. It's so sticky. Help me, Bruner. I can't reach you. It's too sticky.
Oh no, the cones! Jin and Poli were right. This is all my fault.
Bruner, help! It's getting harder.
Jin! Robocar Poli rescue team, help! It's an emergency at the construction site. Micky is stuck.
Oh no, we're on our way, Bruner. Rescue team, let's roll to the rescue.
Sirens on! Let's go! Bruner, what happened to the safety cones?
I moved them. I thought it was a shortcut.
No time for that now. We have to get him out. Helly, what does it look like from above?
He's in deep, Poli. Right in the middle.
Jin, I'm scanning the concrete's viscosity. Oh no! The concrete is hardening. Viscosity is increasing. That means it's getting thicker and turning into a solid.
Gotcha, Micky. Hold on tight.
He's not budging. Oh no! My wheels! I'm sinking too! Stop, Roy! You'll only get stuck deeper! This isn't just a pulling problem. Roy has no traction. Traction. That's the grip your tires need to push or pull. The mud is too soft and slippery, so Roy's wheels just spin. We need to give him something solid to stand on.
I know! The site has heavy-duty steel traction pads. I saw them by the entrance. Helly, get your harness. Bruner, help Jin get those pads ready for her.
I can do it! I'll help! Okay, Bruner, perfect! I've got it! Coming in, Roy! Get ready! Perfect, Helly! Going back for the second one!
Activating stabilizer jacks. It's all about SU port. The jacks and pads spread Roy's weight out, so he won't sink. Now he has a stable platform to pull from. Okay, Micky, this is it. Mega winch. P-U-L. I'm moving! I'm moving! Pull, Roy! Pull!
He's free! You done! Team it, Roy! Teamwork! You're safe, Micky, but you're gonna need a really big wash. Micky is a concrete statue.
Jin! Poli,
I'm sorry. I moved the cones. I thought I was being fast, but I just made a big, dangerous mess.
Admitting you're wrong is very brave, Bruner.
Safety rules, like cones, aren't there to slow you down. They're there to protect you.
Let's be safe together. Wait! Luncheon! Everyone, what's that sound? His backup alarm is broken. He can't see the wall. Titan, stop! S-T-O-P! I've got it! Are you two okay? Roy can't hold it forever. The base is broken. We have to secure the wall. No, Bruner! Stop! You're making it worse! The wall has lost all its structural integrity. Pushing it won't work. We need to support it from the outside. Engineering! We need to build buttresses, angled supports that will push against the wall to hold it up. Those beams, I can push them into place. I'll do it right this time.
Good idea, Bruner. Helly, you guide him from above.
A little to the left, Bruner. Perfect. Now push it against the base. It's in place. Great. Now one more.
It's stable. Great job, Bruner.
I helped. I really helped.
Titan, we need to get your backup beeper fixed right away. It's an important safety sound.
And Bruner, you learned 2 lessons today.
I did. 1, always respect the safety cones.
And 2, don't push a falling wall. Another successful rescue for the Robocar Poli rescue team. And that's why we always check our equipment page.
Micky, slow down. Bye-bye. Thanks for saving me. Whoops. Huh? Yeah.
Don't worry, Micky. I know exactly how to get you out. Just don't use a shortcut.
Thanks for helping us on our construction adventure.
See you next time. Be safe. Today's safety tip. Always check your vehicle's safety sounds, like your horn and your backup beeper, before you start work.
And remember, safety cones are your friends. Never, ever move them. They are there to keep you safe.
If you see a friend in trouble, don't try to fix it yourself. Call for help right away. Always pay attention to your surroundings. Look and listen for dangers.
See you next time, heroes! Okay, Micky, grab on!
I can't reach.
Don't worry, Roy. I'll make a lever.
Oof. Maybe we should use the winch. Thanks, Bruner. Okay, Micky, pull. Today we learned about viscosity. That's what makes concrete sticky and thick. It hardens, so Micky was in real danger. We also learned about T-raction. Roy's wheels slipped in the mud, so Helly and Bruner gave him stable traction pads for support. And we used E-engineering to build buttresses. The angled beams support the wall and keep it from falling.
Construction sites can be very dangerous.
That's right, so never ever play on a construction site and always obey the safety signs.
It tickles!
Safety first! Yeah, yeah!
That was a busy day.
It was. Bruner learned a very important lesson. He sure did. And I'm glad Micky is okay. That concrete was hardening fast. It just shows one small mistake, like moving a cone, can turn into a very big emergency. That's why we always follow the rule. Thanks for joining us. Be safe out there.